Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Artsymadwoman, but I will also answer to the name of Heather. Today we're going to be making... what? What's this? Nothing. It's nothing. Like I was saying, today we are going to be making something that I definitely, for sure, 100% thought was complete crap. Not to say that the thing that we made is crap, but that I thought the technique was just not it. I've seen it many times before, and every time I've looked at it like, that is so stupid. But I discover many things throughout this video, one of which how much I don't miss working with wire. Another one is that I still have a hatred for UV resin. I have never quite understood the reason. It's just not my thing. If it's your thing, totally cool. But it's, you know, for me, it's just I've never really liked it, never really cared for it, and I never thought I could make something so just mind-bogglingly beautiful as what we made in this video. Because the last thing that I realized in this video is that I was wrong about UV resin, and that I was wrong about this technique. It works. It works. Trust and believe it does. Haven't even told you what we're making. So we're making a UV resin dipped flower. So we're creating each petal one by one with wire and then dipping it into UV resin. We're dipping wire in UV resin to create flower petals to then arrange to create a single flower. The single most beautiful space planet flower. A flower from another planet, if you will. But I must warn you, the chaos in this video may not be for everybody. Hold on. Don't go anywhere, okay? You can handle it, but just be warned. Things get a little weird, okay? But you'll get through it. I got through it. We'll get through it together, all right? I love you. Thank you for being here. All right, let's get started, huh? All right, so I have gone ahead and made a couple of examples. Wowee, awesome, fabulous. So these are what the little petals are gonna look like. We have the petal shape, wow, awesome. And then some like structure kind of. Should I test this before we make a bazillion of these?
Most certainly.
Okay. Okie dokie. We have a tiny little cup of UV resin. And I was thinking of making this a like glow in the dark flower, so all the petals are just that'd
be cool.
So I was thinking of doing these 4 colors. Ooh. What? That's fun. Some cute little holographic flakes. Ooh. Look how stunning! That's disgustingly beautiful. Do they see that? No, they don't. Do they see it? Oh my god. Wow, it's so pretty. Let's try and dip one of my little petals in. It's clearly not deep enough. It's supposed to do like a bubble wand type thing. Like it's supposed to kind of coat. Wow, it's kind of doing it. That's cool. Okay, before it pops. Look at that! That actually worked. I was skeptical of it like actually being able to like hold, you know, like a thin layer of it. Like I thought it would just kind of like slide off. So that's our first petal. It works. So now we have to make a whole bunch of these. Yay! Yay! Boom! We've got some wire. Just gonna take my freaking meaty claws and cut a piece that's kind of long so that we can take the top of it, basically just like fold it over, round out the edges. Okay, so it'll kind of look like that. And then I'm gonna bend the bottom bit like that. I'm gonna wrap it around the longest bit like that. I'm gonna take another piece of wire, much shorter, put it around the tip of our petal. Once it's connected, I'm just gonna round it as it pisses me off, and then it'll kind of be like that. So it's supposed to round out the back and help the resin kind of like do a little bubble action. And there we have it.
Another one.
I feel like they look so cute together.
Yeah.
Like you were saying, would you say minimalist?
Yeah.
Just like really cute. Big, meaty claws. No, you evil bitch. It did it anyway.
Perfection.
This one's fudged up. We love it. We love to see it. Dude, it won't stay on the tip. Oh my gosh.
If you pull it a bit.
Pull it. That was the dumbest suggestion you could have possibly said. Why are you round? Oh no, I might rage. All of that, and this is what I got. This lousy petal. Watch me struggle!
We will.
Ah! This metal wire is destined to be the worst. It's like, hi, I'm the worst. And you're just like, hey, can you not be? And they're like, no, that's like not possible. And you're like, why? And they're like, well, then it would all work out. And you're like, yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. And then they're like, well, then there would be no struggle. I'd be like, again, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And then they'll be like, no. And then I'll be like, well, then you. That's if wire could talk. Just based off of like how it acts, you know? Ow! That was big pinchy.
I hate that guy.
This is one of the worst things I've ever done. But maybe we need to reframe, you know, how we feel.
Yeah.
I love this. I love this.
Maybe it's something where you don't have to worry about decision making. You know what to do. It's just you and the wire.
I had a rabbit once. My family is so good at naming pets. His name was Bun Bun.
That's a great.
No, I'm sorry. One of the names was Bun Bun, and then my mom called him Rabbity. But then we also had a guinea pig.
Oh yes. Named Pig Pig.
Yep, we called him Pig Pig. So cute. Welcome to I'm having so much fun making wire petals.
Sometimes you just gotta yell.
Sometimes. Whoa, bro, what the hell? What are you gonna do? Look at me go. Look at what we have, actually. We have 5 big ones and 6 small ones?
Whoa.
What, dude? We're finding our groove, and it's going great.
Staying alive. Staying alive.
Stay alive. I can't get an angle on that. That was so itchy. You've never had an itch like that? Where you just like...
Oh yeah. Like it should be like linguine instead of spaghetti.
Linguine! Linguine!
Linguine! Should be a small one?
Yep. It's a little baby.
A baby?
A baby!
Oh shit.
I'm just thinking about naan right now.
Yeah.
Naan and avocado should get married. Okay, that was my last one. 10 yards of wire. Next step is we're going to dip all of these in UV resin. So get your masks on, everybody. It's going to get stinky.
We gonna get stinky.
All right, so now that we have about 5 billion petals, I'm going to regret that I just did that. And then I'm going to start mixing up the other colors of the glow-in-the-dark dust into more of the UV resin. So that is what we're going to do. Jello shot cup. And then a glob of UV resin. Some glow dust. This one's pink. And then some holographic glitter. Look at this. Dude, I can't handle that. Look how pretty that is. All right, I think I'm gonna get all of our colors going, and then we will have a dipping marathon. Oh, gosh. The next color we have is orange. I'm gonna pour this in. And now, our last one. And yes, I will be saving everything that I don't use. Anyway, last color is this really pretty apricot color. All right, so we have all of our colors here, very cute. I'm thinking of doing color by color, so we'll kind of exhaust each color and move along like that. So we'll start with this color. So I'm just going to dip and kind of coat the whole petal, then let it drip off a bit. Here we have a little yellowy one. I feel like they don't look that impressive on their own, but I have a feeling that when they get all together, like when I actually arrange this into a little flower, that it'll look so much better. And I honestly feel like this is gonna look really cool. Commence dipping extravaganza. You guys, check out these freaking colors. They're so cute together. They're kind of like that milky, like pastel version of colors. They're just so adorable. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at them together. I also did a few green ones for some leaves. So anyway, we're gonna start arranging a flower. Besides the green ones, I think what I'm gonna do is grab them all together. I want all the purple ones to be the big petals on the outside. I'm just going to start bending them so that they're kind of like back and out of the way. And I'm also going to move them around so that they are nicely surrounding everything. You can always adjust them later. So anyway, this is what I have right now. Kind of looks like a terrifying poisonous plant or something on an alien planet. That's kind of what I'm going for, honestly. Are you having any fun? What you're getting out of living. This is difficult. Wee. Maybe I should twist them now, because I was gonna wait to twist them until I like had it all figured out, but I feel like I won't be able to figure it out unless it's like nice and tight. I don't mean to give you a boob shot here, but I need it like right in my face. So, oh my gosh, okay. Maybe I wrap wire around it No, I feel like if I twist it, I'm gonna lose this shape. I need 4 arms. I need to be a freaking octopus lady. Ugh! I love how wrong I was about this. I have a really thin piece of wire. I'm gonna leave a tail, but I'm gonna start wrapping it really tight. So now I don't have to worry about like holding it super duper tight. By the way, look how satisfying this is. Just in case you didn't believe me, I did get the little lids. And then I'm gonna put this where the sun don't shine, if you know what I mean. Finally, I'm gonna start arranging this. I'm going to pull the greens out, and then we'll pull on the purple. Oh my god! Stop. Now that all the colors are where I want them, I'm gonna tighten things up because I don't want it to be like super fanned out like that. So I'm gonna close it in. Basically so it looks like this. Dude, what the hell? This is so adorable. It looks like a is it a lotus? All right, so now we'll do the final adjustments. Oh, no. UV resin. No, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Did any of us think that this would happen? I'm genuinely so shocked at how beautiful this is. It looks like stained glass. It looks so much more difficult than it was, which is the best craft in my opinion. And then I found this tiny little vase upstairs to put it in. No, this is UV resin. Are you screwing with me? Are you serious? I don't know. I guess I just underestimated UV resin and like making something so this looks like a lotus. I was wrong. I'm so wrong is what I should be saying. Let's see if these glow in the dark. I might cry. Oh my god. Okay, it definitely glows. I'm like really impressed. Wow, that is cool. Wow, wow, wow. That literally looks like some kind of like space plant. Ah, wow. I mean, we did it. All right. We need to have a conference. We need to talk. And I need to apologize to UV resin. Here is my formal apology, UV resin. Dear UV resin, I hated you. I still kind of do sometimes. But I made something with you that is so that is so beautiful. I never would have thought that you could produce something like this, and I am sorry for that. I underestimated you. I really hope that you'll forgive me. But let's not give all the credit to the UV resin here, because these colors are solar color dust. The colors are solar color dust. Nobody's surprised by that. We made a gorgeous flower out of UV resin, petal by petal. Can't believe this worked, like this method I've seen before. And I didn't think it worked, honestly. So I was proven wrong today, and I'm pretty happy about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and my vlog channel, which is not so artsy. You can follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. It is at Artsymadwoman. We have merch. This is what some of it looks like. Haunted Plant Party. I love you to absolute death. New stuff always coming. And links to everything that I used in this video are down in the description as always. I love you guys to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.